I'm not saying learning algorithms is a bad thing. It can be a good thing, and probably everyone should do it at some stage. But it's also one of those things that you can Google. Most senior developers do when they need a certain algorithm. They don't remember these things all the time. They just Google them. So when I'm interviewing a developer, regardless of how senior, I always say I'm looking for three things: a decent human being, it's a must. I can't go anywhere without it. A good coder, and then passionate about what you do. So if you're brand new to software development, being a good coder is probably the one thing you can't say you are. You're probably not going to be a great coder at that stage, and no one's expecting you to be, or they shouldn't be. So going and learning a whole bunch of algorithms to prove you're a good coder, I just don't think that's the way to go. I would be focusing on the third element, which is passionate about what you do, and everyone gets this wrong. I'm not saying you have to have a tattoo, of React or Node or whatever you're into. I'm not saying you have to, have wallpaper made of your favorite framework. I'm saying when you're starting out as a junior developer, you're thinking, it's the amount of money you cost, and they're trying to drive the cost down that way. The amount of money they pay you as a junior developer is almost irrelevant. I'm not trying to be too negative here. I'm trying to say the truth. What they're worried about is the amount of time you're going to take from other people, other software developers on the team who have to train you, how much of a burden you're going to be. So what you need to show is you're really proactive. And I guess learning an algorithm can show that you're being proactive. But what they want is someone who's just actively trying to progress their own career. That they're maybe you've got side projects. You're showing that you're learning every day. You're committing every day. You're going somewhere, so that they don't have to sit there with you all day every day. They know that they can give you something to work on and leave you with it because they know you're being proactive. And proactive is kind of the magic dust on top, because that's what you look for for junior developers, but that's also what you look for senior developers. That's what people are looking through your profiles, is looking for proof that not only can you do this, but you like this. Because when you're hiring to solve a problem. And the line from Forrest Gump springs to mind, where they go, we've hired that developer. Well, that's good. One less thing. That person's got that. They love it. They live and breathe it. Leave it with them. We don't have to worry about that anymore, because that's your job. Take someone's problem away. And as a junior, you take that problem away by showing you're proactive, and you can be left to do things on your own.